Okay, so now we're going to make a box and whisker plot on a spreadsheet. So to do this, you need to make sure that you have your minimum, your first quartile, your median, your third quartile, and your maximum values for your Wildcats and your Panther data sets. Once you have your 5-number summary for each of those data sets, you're going to click on that empty box that's shaded purple right above the word Wildcats. And you are going to drag that box all the way over and down, and you're going to highlight that entire section. So I have everything in purple, and then as well as my Wildcats and Panther rows highlighted. Then you're going to go up to Insert, and you're going to click on Chart. Once you click on Chart, a bar graph will appear, but we don't want a bar graph. So we are going to click on Chart Type, and we're going to scroll all the way down to where it says Candlestick Charts. This is the spreadsheet version of a box and whisker plot. So for some of you guys, your graphs will appear, and for others, you'll get something that looks like mine. But that's okay, we can easily fix this. So we are going to scroll all the way down, and where it says switch rows/columns, we're going to uncheck that box, and then our box and whisker plot will appear. Now you'll notice when we did it in class, we had a horizontal box and whisker plot, and this one's showing a vertical, but that's okay. It's still showing our minimum values and our maximum values, as well as our boxes, which include our quartiles. So this is actually not correct because the graph is using the wrong values. So you'll notice here it says low, and that means our minimum value. So that number's right. Our open is right here on our graph, and that is our first quartile, which is using the correct data. The close is the end of our box, which is the top of our box over here, which should be our third quartile, and it's using our median. So we're going to click on the word median, and we're going to then click on third quartile. So that fixed it. It made our box a little bit bigger, which makes sense because it should be above the median. And then where it says high, this is our last whisker, which should be our maximum value. And so now we have an accurate box and whisker plot. And you'll see that it did this for both Wildcats and Panthers. And so now we can compare the box and whisker plots of both of our data sets. So when you're done with that, you're going to hit the X. And then you're going to click on the graph, and you can shrink it a little bit. And then we're going to drag it over to where it says place graph below. And now we can see our 5-number summaries next to our box and whisker plots.